Hello guys, I'm gonna show you on this video how to replace a fuel relief valve. Sometimes you have 47 13 and replace that valve and it fixes the problem, so we do that first just to make sure that this is the problem and not the injectors. You need a 19 millimeter and it's just a bolt. Let's see. It has a seal. Sometimes it gets sticky with the paint, but look this. Look this how clogged it is. Look how fucked it is. Here's the new one, as you can see. So just install new seals and plug it back. It's just a bonjour bolt. But yeah, as you can see guys, that was shock. Like, it's really bad and dirty. So try that first before replacing injectors. Who knows? Can save your injector last a little bit more.